Good afternoon. I put up a video about a month ago. It was from a video by Mail Online, and the headline was "Shocking Moment: Furious Motorist Punches and Kicks a Just Stop Oil Protester." Now, this woman, the car's just been pranked here, and she's got out to the passenger side, and she comes across here and she shouts at this one protester who is filming her to stop what you're doing. There we go. There he is. He's filming her with his camera in front of his face. And she is saying, stop, stop. Stop what you're doing. And there's her husband. Now he's right there. She is getting out of the car. Passenger side. So this side of the car is dented, so they can't use the driver's side. So it looks like she was in the passenger. Originally I said she was driving, but she was in the passenger side, and she gets out and she's she's pregnant. So as most people will know, when women are pregnant, they can kick off very easily. Now, this has caused an accident in the car, and she's pregnant, so she gets out and she starts laying into these people. And this guy, this is the one that was supposedly punched and kicked by her husband. And so he's there now. He's got a camera in front of him and he's filming her having a rant. And obviously her husband is not happy about that. So he gets out of the car. He gets out the passenger side. This is where I got mistaken. Now, and as he comes up to him, as the headlines said in this, he said, "Stop filming, you little shit." And he's still got his camera in front of him. So the guy knocks the camera, tries to knock the camera out of his hand. And then a couple of yards down the road, he's still filming. So he has another go, which knocks him over. And while he's lying in the road, the husband's foot comes up towards the man's head, supposedly. But what he actually doing, he's trying to get this bloke to stop filming. And it's as basic as that. So as his foot comes up, you put it in slow motion, you'll see it, yeah, now. He kicks the phone out of his hand. You see a black phone flying through the air. Now, he only kicks once. Now, if he's kicked once and knocked the phone out of the back of his, let's get this right now. As his foot is coming up, he kicks the phone out of his hand, and he's got his two hands behind his head, protecting his head and his phone. So then you see the phone go flying through the air. Right, let's play that. That's the second time he tries to knock the phone out of him. And he goes over. And you see the phone? The black phone is what? Boom! He kicks once. And he kicks the phone out of his hand. So what he was actually doing was trying to look after his wife. And this little SHIT, as he called him, is still filming her having a rant. And he tries to stop that. And by doing that, he pushed him twice. And the second time he pushed him over, trying to get at the phone. And you see when he's on the floor, his hand is gripping the phone. And you see his hand go up behind his head. Then boom, kicks the phone out of his hand. Now, since this was put up, over 2 million people have watched this video with the lie as the headline. And it's the, well, they call it a shocking moment, like a shocking moment, furious motorist, punches and kicks. So that headline is to get people going, and it's worked on 2 million people. So I put a comment up. Okay. um, 27,012 comments. Sort by the worst. I'll leave that for now. You see this one, 24 likes for that comment, 4 likes, 38, 16, 42, 22. And it just goes on and on and on. 25, 8, 11. One similar to mine. One, 5. Until it comes to this comment I put up 3 weeks ago. And at that time it had 1,365,000 views in 6 days. That's the Daily Mail video. Now, it's gone over 2 million now. My video had 67 views. 67 views. And of that, 1 like. And that is mine. Because you're allowed to like the first, you're allowed to click on the first like on the thumbs up. So now, see 91, 1, 62, 2, 5. Right. So I put up a comment now. Today, date 20th of August 2023. I uploaded this a month ago, a true version of what happened. As I said at the time, this will shut down. This will be shut down. Notice the next comment put up the day before mine. 1,000 views. This paper is supposed to be about exposing the truth. Why was the likes locked? Why was the truth ignored? And that was my question. See, this guy, well, the comment he's made is similar to the Daily Mail one. It's he's had 30,000 likes. Unbelievable. Okay, 500, 100, 300, 2.5 thousand, 455, 820. It's just a coincidence that mine is still on one, the one that I put up. One view. I think this is terrible journalism. Over and out.